Welcome back to Top Tech Growth Hacks, the show where we break down the strategies and tools driving innovation in the tech world.
And I'm Jamie, excited to dive into a critical area today, healthcare tech, specifically electronic health record or EHR software development. It's a massive market with huge implications for patient care.
Absolutely, Jamie. We're looking at an article today about the top EHR software development companies in Boston, and it really highlights a common and incredibly costly mistake healthcare organizations make.
You mean picking a partner who can write code but can't deliver a HIPAA-compliant, interoperable system on time and on budget? Yeah, that's a big one. The article states switching EHR vendors mid-project can cost millions in lost migration, retraining, and downtime. That's a huge hit.
It really underscores the difference between a vendor and a strategic partner. Off-the-shelf EHRs promise quick deployment, but often don't match clinical workflows, while custom platforms offer precision, but demand a partner who understands both the tech and the regulatory maze.
Exactly. A strategic partner isn't just coding to a spec. They bring deep domain knowledge. They're thinking about scalable architecture for growing patient volumes, navigating HIPAA, HITRUST, and state-level privacy regulations from day one.
And crucially, they're planning for interoperability, making sure the EHR can talk to lab systems, pharmacies, and payer networks using standards like FHIR and HL7, plus looking ahead to AI-driven features like clinical decision support.
It's a lot to consider. The article lists 9 companies, many of them based right in the Boston area, that are truly making an impact. Let's highlight a few diverse examples.
Definitely. First up, Glorium Technologies. They're highlighted for full-cycle EHR EMR platform development with medical device-grade quality management. They even hold ISO 13485 certification, which is huge for medical device software, alongside HIPAA, HITRUST, and GDPR compliance baked in.
That's impressive. They're also leveraging AI with their Cogni Agent platform to reduce manual data entry and surface clinical insights. Then you have Conda Software, based in Newton, Mass., specializing in complex EHR integrations with the big players like Epic and Cerner.
And Athena Health, headquartered in Watertown, Mass., is a major name for cloud-native, AI-powered ambulatory EHR and practice management. They serve over 170,000 clinicians nationwide and are really pushing the envelope with AI-native clinical encounters.
Another Boston giant, InterSystems, has been around since 1978. They're known for enterprise-grade EHR platforms and deep interoperability infrastructure, powering over 1 billion health records globally. Their IntelliCare became the first AI-native EHR to achieve EU Medical Device Regulation Class 2A certification.
Then we have companies like Boston Technology Corporation, focusing on AI/ML-driven healthcare apps and FHIR HL7 interoperability, which is vital for modern systems. They're doing things like NLP-based triage and automated coding.
And Claricode, based in Dedham, Mass., is excellent for custom EMR development and integrating with legacy systems, a huge challenge for many established healthcare providers. They've been building medical software since 2003.
So with all these options, how do organizations make the right choice? The article gives some great advice.
It boils down to a few key things. First, prioritize the compliance stack. If a firm can't demonstrate HIPAA expertise through certifications or named references, move on. Compliance isn't a checkbox, it's architecture.
Absolutely. Second, examine integration depth. Your EHR has to communicate seamlessly with labs, pharmacies, and payer systems using FHIR and HL7 standards. A siloed system is practically useless in today's healthcare landscape.
And finally, think long-term. EHR systems constantly evolve. You need a partner you'd want alongside your team 3 years from now, not just someone to get you through the initial build. It's an ongoing relationship.
It's clear that investing in the right strategic EHR development partner is not just about building software. It's about building the future of patient care, ensuring compliance, scalability, and efficiency.
A powerful message. For organizations in Boston and beyond, this article provides a fantastic starting point for finding a truly capable and certified partner.
That wraps up another insightful episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. A huge thank you to our listeners for tuning in.
We hope this deep dive into EHR development helps guide your strategic decisions. Join us next time for more on Top Tech Growth Hacks.